Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be upon all of you. My name is Farhan Shaikh. My brothers and sisters, this is an era of globalization. This is an era of science and technology. We are learning many things which are new to us and we are eager to learn. For example, the international languages, which we are keen to learn, and it's a good thing. But I would like to ask you one question, my brothers and sisters. What about the language of languages, Arabic? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala introduced a glorious Quran in Arabic language, and our beloved Prophet, all his hadiths are in Arabic language. So it's a boom for us actually to learn Arabic language. Myself currently am pursuing level 1 of Learn Arabic Language with Maulana Ilyas Baghdadi sir. It's an online course and it basically covers everything. Whatever doubts you have, the grammar, the pronunciation, the question and answers, everything is taken care of. And the platform itself is an online platform and which is very easy. So with this medium, I would like to thank Maulana Ilyas Baghdadi sir for contributing towards our society. And to you, my brothers and sisters, I urge you, if you want to learn Arabic the best possible way, so you can enroll in Learn Arabic online classes with Maulana Ilyas Baghdadi sir, and pass on this knowledge to others and pass on this video to others, so everybody can be benefited with that. With this, I like to conclude and I thank you for listening. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khair.